Dear students, this is the poem Sympathy, written by Charles Mackay. Before explaining this poem, I will read. Listen carefully. I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. My grief a proud man hurt. His looks were cold, he gave me gold, but not a kindly word. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me. Then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. I lay in want and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. He bowed my head, he gave me bread, he watched me night and day. How shall I pay him back again for all he did to me? Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. Let us see the meanings. Depressed means in great pain. Grief means grief, deep sorrow. Cold, unfriendly. Cold means here unfriendly. Kindly, kind. Erect, straight. Charity means sympathy. Want, poverty. Far, very much. Bind, tie with a cloth around something. Listen here, children. I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. Once the poet was in sorrow. Deep depressed means he was in great pain. Sorrow, sad. I lay in sorrow means the poet was in sad. Deep depressed. Depressed means in great pain. My grief a proud man hurt. Grief means sorrow. Who hurt the pain? Pain of the poet? A proud man. A rich man hurt the grief of the poet. His looks were cold. How does he look? His looks were cold. Cold means unfriendly. He gave me gold. What did he give? This proud man gave him what? Gold. But not a kindly word. But he did not speak any word. See here. I lay in sorrow. The poet says once he was in sorrow. That sorrow was deep depressed means great pain for him. When he was in sorrow, who passed on that way? A proud man means a rich man passed. His looks were cold means his looks were unfriendly. And by seeing his sorrow, this proud man gave him gold, but not a kindly word. But he did not speak any word. Next, later his sorrow passed. So it's time to the poet to return back his help. So the poet paid him back. What did the proud man give? What did he give? Gold. So who paid him back? The poet paid him back the gold. The gold he gave to me. The poet returned what the proud man gave. He gave what? Gold. That the poet returned. Then stood erect and spoke my thanks. After giving his gold, he stood erect. Erect means straight, and he told him thanks and blessed his charity. Charity means sympathy. He gave him gold. So He blessed his charity. Are lay in want and grief and pain. See, another time, in the beginning, he was sorrow, proud man, rich man, ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಕವಿಯ ನೋವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದು ಪೋಯೆಟಿನ ಸಾರೋ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಅವನ ದುಃಖ ಕಳೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವನು ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವನ ಕರುಣೆಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಸಮಯ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ದ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇನ್. ದ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ, ಬಡತನದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋವಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದುಃಖದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Another time the poet was in grief and in pain. Who passed on that way? A poor man passed my way. Who passed his way? A poor man passed his way. He bound my head, he gave me bread. See, you can compare. The proud man, rich man, he gave when he was in sorrow, gold. Next, poor man, what did he give? He gave bread to eat and he bound his head, ಅವನ ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ನೇವರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. So he watched me night and day when he was alone, when he was in pain, when he was in sorrow. He watched him night and day. ಇಡೀ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅವನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. How shall I pay back him? Again, see, now poet says that this poor proud man gave him what? Gold. So he returned after his sorrow. Now, poor man has given bread, then he bound his head when he was in pain and he watched him night and day. ಕವಿಯ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ದುಃಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So for all he did to me, oh, gold is great. Yes, gold is great. ಚಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವೇ. But greater what is heavenly sympathy. In this poem, the poet wanted to compare what is great here. Gold is great. But when compared to sympathy, sympathy is greater than gold. Sympathy is greater than gold. ಕರುಣೆ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಚಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಈ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಕವಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So once again, I lay in sorrow deep depressed. Here I refers to the poet. My grief a proud man heard. Proud man means here rich man. His looks were cold, cold, unfriendly. He gave me gold, but not a kindly word. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me. Then stood erect, erect means straight, and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Charity, sympathy. I lay in want, poverty, and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. He bound my head. He gave me bread. He watched me night and day. How shall I pay him back again? For all he did to me. Oh, God is great, but greater for his heavenly sympathy. Here, when he was in sorrow, proud man, rich man passed, he gave gold. Another time, when he was in sorrow, poor man passed, he bound his head, gave him bread, and watched him day and night. So, he spoke with him, he treated him. So that is a great. When compared to gold, what is great? Sympathy is great.